it's dyno day for the Camaro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are heading down to Kaleb Mafia Racing to see Kaleb, and it's dyno day for the Camaro. So she's nasty right now just because it's been raining here in Florida quite a lot, but this morning it's supposed to be fairly dry, so we're going to try and get this in before it starts again. Basically what we're wanting to do is just get some baseline numbers, because I have been collecting goodies for this baby for the last couple of months. I have got some Texas Speed 2-inch long tube headers that are waiting for her. I have got an E85 flex fuel kit to get on there. I've already worked out a deal with Kaleb to get her tuned and running the E85, just a flex fuel because she is my daily. I've got new tires coming. I've got a stock ported intake manifold, and I also have a stock ported throttle body that we're going to be throwing on her too. So giving her a little bit more air. At this point in time, just honestly due to overall cost at the moment, and given the situation with the COVID-19, I'm not wanting to put out $6,000 for the Pro Charger, which was the original idea. So right now I'm just going to leave her NA and get out of her what I can NA. The only thing that I've done to this car, it is bone stock, except for I have changed out the cold air intake. I added a Airaid carbon fiber performance cold air intake, and no, I didn't get the carbon fiber for weight reduction or any of that shit. The normal price on one of those is $700-ish, and I found this one brand new on Amazon for under $3. So I bought it because it was actually a better deal than buying the non-carbon fiber option. So anyway, just to show you guys, I've literally done nothing to this engine other than that. I'm going to show you.
He said like 380.
He said 375.
Ooh.
That's okay. I mean, the whole point, I don't really care what it makes now. What I'm worried about is what it makes later. This is just baseline, so. That's not good. That's not good.
No, it is good.
Oh.
What?
Holy shit. Wow.
Wow. Well, look at
Damn.
this, guys. So we actually ran an SAE with a Chevy smoothing 1, made 440 horsepower and 450 foot-pounds of torque. So letting her cool off a little bit.
Not near as bad as I thought we were going to start out with.
That's
Shit.
actually really good. I was very wrong. But I know you only run this thing on 93 octane.
Yeah. Right.
100%.
Yeah.
So it has had time in the tune to increase, and it knows that it's on 93 octane, and it's making all the power. Not bad. 440 horsepower, 450 foot-pounds of torque. Good torque. That's that new gen motor. That's what that is, guys. That's that new gen motor. Because the Gen 3s and Gen 4s don't make this. You need a cam and all kinds of aftermarket parts to make, 440, 450. Yeah. These new ones are good. I give it that. I'm impressed.
Me too.
Me too.
I'm thoroughly impressed. I did not think it was going to get high.
And I'll tell you what, I think it wants to rev more. That's as far as she goes.
Yeah, she goes to
But
us.
we only barely dipped down to like 400.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it was like, and that's barely over 65. At least we'll carry it out to 7. Even on that, we might come down into the 300s, but as long as, here's how you know that you want to rev that high, because as long as this point is essentially higher than the point on the drop back with the gear change, you're good. You'll still make more power to the wheels, more wheel torque that way, which is what's important, guys. So, yeah.
I'm pretty happy with that. As a starting place, hell yeah, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
You fucking kidding?
God, this only going to get better for me. God damn, I'm going to have to turn it up, Caleb. I'm going to have to turn it up.
You're going to have to turn it up because once we put long tubes on your car, she gets rid of the cats.
And the E85.
And the E85, this thing should make 500 wheel points. I don't see why it wouldn't make 500 wheel points.
Shit, I'm excited. Let's do it.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Awesome.
Oh yeah, and I've got the ported intake manifold and the throttle body too, so.
Yeah. Pretty good. I gotta say, I'm impressed with it.
Now we just gotta let you work your magic.
Yeah. And I'm like, ooh, it made that much? I want to see what I can do.
Coming soon. All right, guys, so there's that. Didn't expect that to happen today. I was kind of wishful thinking on my initial guesses of, I think I said 410 and 425, and what we actually came out with was 440 to the wheels and 455 torque. So I'm really, really happy with that as far as a baseline starting point. So yeah, I was really surprised by that, and Caleb, the soon-to-be tuner, was very surprised by that too. He was not expecting that. So anyway,
It's going to move. Once we put all the parts on the car, I'm going to be impressed with what it does. It should be around 500 wheel. I mean, 500 wheel and A is good power, especially without putting a cam on this car. I'm happy with that. It just means I got to turn mine up, but I'm happy. Well, so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun. We had a good time there with Caleb. It's always fun when we go over there because we just hang out, talk shop and cars, and just chill for a little bit. And it was a good time. So, you guys stay safe out there and have a great day.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.